Compact, bold, and brimming with style, the 2025 Kia Picanto is redefining what it means to drive small. In today's video, we're diving deep into Kia's latest iteration of their beloved city car. From its revamped exterior to its high-tech interior and even the punchy engine upgrades, this Picanto is packed with surprises. Stay tuned as we unpack everything you need to know. Let's talk design. The 2025 Kia Picanto gets a major glow-up with its edgy, urban aesthetic. Up front, Kia's signature Tiger Nose grille takes center stage, now paired with sleeker LED headlights that exude confidence. The sharper bumper lines and bold air intakes give it a sportier vibe, perfect for zipping through city streets. From the side, the Picanto flaunts newly designed 16-inch alloys and body-colored side mirrors with integrated turn signals. And let's not forget the striking new color palette. Whether it's the bold lime fusion or the classy midnight violet, there's a shade for everyone. The back is no less impressive, with redesigned LED taillights forming a unique light signature, ensuring you leave a lasting impression even as you drive away. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that feels anything but compact. The 2025 Picanto combines smart ergonomics with modern design. A new 8-inch floating touchscreen takes center stage, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No more fumbling with cables. The seats? Oh, they're a dream for a car this size. Premium materials, extra padding, and even contrast stitching on the GT line trim. And check out the ambient lighting, customizable colors that add a dash of personality to your ride. Now let's talk power. The 2025 Kia Picanto is offered with two engine options: a 1.0-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder and a 1.2-liter naturally aspirated engine. Both deliver zippy performance and impressive fuel efficiency, perfect for city dwellers and daily commuters. The turbocharged option, paired with Kia's updated CVT transmission, offers smoother acceleration and a surprisingly fun-to-drive experience for a city car. And thanks to Kia's SmartStream tech, emissions are reduced while efficiency gets a boost. A win-win. So, there you have it, the 2025 Kia Picanto. Stylish, practical, and packed with features that punch well above its weight. Whether you're navigating tight urban streets or heading out for a spontaneous road trip, this little car is ready to go the distance. What do you think of the 2025 Picanto? Is it the perfect city car? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more exciting car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.